In this video, I'll show you how you can buy an agency in GTA 5 Online. Now all you have to do is bring up your map and navigate to this location on this Lamar Davis icon here. So as you can see, that's the contract missions. So all you have to do is come here in this yellow icon and interact with it. So you have to contact Lamar Davis.
Hey, what's happening with it, pimp? You know who it is. It's your boy LD. Hey, I know we ain't chopped it up in a minute, but I got a homie that needs something. And y'all just might make a perfect partnership.
Then once you listen to the conversation, all you have to do is access the Maze Bank site. So bring up your phone by pressing the up button on the D-pad, and then select internet, and then choose money and services, and then scroll down and select Dynasty Executive. So choose that and then select enter site. And then from here, simply select agencies. And then from here, you should see a list of all the available agencies that are currently at the map. So depending on how much finances you have in the game, choose the one that is suitable for you. So let's say if you want this one, you can select it. And then you can customize the art, you can customize the wallpaper, the highlight, armory. You can add that. If you want to add accommodation, you can also add an accommodation. If you want to have a vehicle warehouse, you can also add that. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can simply click on buy, and then you can select buy again and ensure that you have enough finances to purchase that particular agency. So that's basically it on how you can get an agency in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.